Everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn some important points related to the lesson Handicrafts and Handlooms from the 7th class Social Studies textbook. Andugulla village is about 60 kilometers from Hyderabad. Basket making is a craft work. It takes 30 minutes to make a basket. People of Yerukula tribe are usually involved in basket making and live in different parts of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. They are called Yerukala after their women's traditional profession of fortune telling Yeruka Chepputa. People of this tribe speak Yerukala Bhasha. Words from Telugu, Tamil and Kannada languages are used in this language. Handloom weavers in Pochampalli. Pochampalli is a small town in Yadadri district in Telangana. The weavers here produce unique saris called Ikat saris, which are world famous. Ikat is a term used for the particular style in which cloth is dyed, also often referred to Bandhani or Pochampalli itself. They are high quality silk saris containing simple geometrical designs and available mostly in 3 colors and shades. There are nearly 10,000 weaving families in 100 neighboring villages involved in this craft. Pochampalli saris have a unique design and color which is quite distinct from other silk saris. That is why it is the first handloom cloth patented in India. This means no other producers of handloom saris in the world can sell saris in the name of Pochampalli Ikat saris. Silkworms from which silk yarn is made grow on mulberry leaves. Rearing of silkworms is taken up by small farmers. Tools. Weavers own the wooden loom, which is the main tool required for weaving. Apart from it, they also use small knives. For weavers, it is also important to know the plan of the design to weave the sari. These designs are marked on special sheets of paper with specific notations. There are different stages of weaving a sari. The first is preparing the yarn. The red and brown shades between white and black colors are printed using alizarin dyes. Dissolving iron filling in vinegar produces black color. Warp and weft. Warp is the yarn that goes from top to bottom and weft is the yarn that go from left to right. It takes nearly 50 days to weave 8 saris. Weavers get about 1200 rupees per sari for the work. Between March and May, weavers are able to weave only for a few hours a day. If the temperature is high, the thread will get cut. Weavers' problems and cooperative societies. Telangana is one of the states in India which have a large number of handlooms. During the last few decades, handloom weavers have been facing a stiff competition from powerloom and mill-made clothes. The weavers also do not get good rates due to middlemen's involvement. In order to overcome these problems, the weavers are encouraged to form cooperative societies. A large amount of handloom cloth material in Telangana is produced and marketed by master weavers and merchants. Master weavers also provide loans to weavers to set up a loom, buy other tools, and thus restrict them from weaving saris for other master weavers. The cooperative societies should provide work and save the distressed weaving families from the master weavers. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.